Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Today is very interesting activity. Must watch this video till end. If you remember, we connected the LED with and without a resistor in our previous activity in TinkerCAD. Okay, and today objective of today activity is to connect the bulb with 9-volt battery without any resistor, and we will see what will happen. The second thing is connect the LED with Arduino device. So this Arduino serve as a power source, and we will write a simple code in Arduino. Let's start the practical and we will see what will happen today.
I will just show you how you can create a simple circuit. As I told you last time, we did with the battery. Okay, so just add the battery and press R. Okay, just to rotate it. And if you need some LED, you can just add the LED. Okay, and you need to add the resistor. But if you need a simple bulb, okay, suppose the bulb. Okay, so bulb, bulb, bulb. This bulb, if you need to glow the bulb, okay, just take one end and the other end here, okay, and simulate it. You can see, because this 9 voltage here, we don't need a resistor because this is the power required by our device. Okay, now if you need, so let me delete it, and we'll add all the components, all other component. This is our 9-volt battery. Okay, if you need, so you can add the breadboard small. Okay, okay, now this is the breadboard, as I told you. So okay, see, this is your breadboard. If you need to rotate your breadboard, just press R, see here, and you can adjust your breadboard. Okay, now if you will see here, so how you can connect with the power source, how you can connect, how you can do the connection with your breadboard. Can you tell me now? See, if you need the LED, just go to the LED, and today we will provide both LED. Okay, so we will take the LED. So this is your LED. Okay, and red color LED. Then you need a resistor. Sorry. Where it is. Okay, now take the resistor. Okay, the LED. How you can connect the LED? See here, these are the same row. Okay, the same row. So it has a one. So whether you can connect this row with the positive, or you can connect with the negative. Okay, so here, so we need to connect our LED somewhere here. Okay, suppose this is, sorry, this, now press R, and now it is connected. So this one, take the resistor, add here, and sorry, now you can connect with this one. Okay, or we can say you can connect somewhere here, or this one here. Okay, now let me do the connection like this one, and now we will take this one as a positive. We will take the connection here, and where is our 9-volt battery? Where is the battery? Okay, battery, I think, let me take the battery as well, and then we will do the connection. Okay, now where is the battery? We will connect here. So this is the battery. Okay, now take the battery here. Okay, this is your positive. Okay, we will connect with this one. Okay, now here we will provide the power source, and this one we will make it as a red, and this is your negative. okay, and we will make it as a black. If you will see here, now we are using a breadboard, okay, and now this one we will connect this one from here to here, okay. Now connect here, okay, this is a jumper wire, and we are using this jumper wire, and this connection we will make it to this one, okay, we will give to this one. This is the red, okay. Now if you will run the simulation, you can see now your LED turn on. You can see here, so your LED turn on because you are providing a power. And now this time we are not using a directly, we are not directly connecting with the power source. We have the breadboard here. We are simulating our circuit on the breadboard. Now this breadboard, instead of 9-volt battery, we will use the Arduino device, okay. So instead of this one, you can use a Arduino device. Now stop this simulation, and now let me remove, delete this one. Now you will see here, instead of this one, I can use uh, what we call it, Arduino. Arduino, okay. So this is our Arduino device, okay, Arduino, okay. And here if you will see now, Arduino device, so this Arduino device, we have 3-volt, 5-volt, okay. And I will take this volt from this point, okay, just 1 minute. Let me connect, and I will just show you. This is the 5 voltage, okay, the 5-volt we are providing here, okay, 5-volt, okay. And now we need to take the ground. So this is the ground, or if you will see here, so this ground, better to take the ground, okay. Now make it black. Now see, now if you will run the simulation, if you will see, if you will run the simulation, now you see it glow, but it is not a more light because we are providing a 5-volt, okay. So now we are using a resistor in between as well, okay. See now Arduino. So Arduino, what is the, because this is your power source, as you are providing a power to your circuit, okay. So this is another way you can provide a power through the Arduino board. Now what you can do it, so we can write a simple program, okay. We can write a simple program which will provide which will make our circuit automation, which will automate our circuit, okay. How you can do it, just uh, instead of this one, just let me R and remove this one, the power source, the ground. Let me take the ground and remove the ground from this point and connect here, okay. So I'm connecting this one. What I'm going, this is we will take port number 8, okay. This port number 8, we will take to write a simple program, okay. Now make it red, okay. Now you can see, so this port number 8, we will write a simple program, okay. If you need to write a code here, what you can do it, see here, set the LED to high, wait 1 second, set LED to low, so you can write your own program, okay. Now here, just, we don't need this one here, this is a sketch block programming, okay. We will use a set pin number. So this pin number, so which pin number, pin number 8, we have connected with the pin number 8, set to high, okay. And then it will wait, so control, it will wait for, we can say 1 second, or millisecond, 1000 millisecond, we can say 100 millisecond, okay. After that, or 1000 millisecond, or one, okay, no problem, 1000 or 100 millisecond. Then again, this pin number 8, make it low, okay. Before it was high, set the pin 8, so this is pin number 8 high, and wait 100 millisecond and set pin number 8 low. Now just start the simulation and it will start glowing. You can see it is start glowing. See, we write a program. Did you notice this one? Yes, please. Did you notice? See, now stop this one and see, this is the one. So I have connected with pin number 8. See, this is my Arduino, because see here, if you are using this TinkerCad, as I told you, so you can simulate your project, because you don't need the actual device, but it will just give you an environment same like the actual device. Okay. Now, if you want to see, if you want to run the same program in your actual device, go to the coding. Okay. Go to the coding here. So you have block and text. See, this is the code. Just copy this one and paste it in your actual device, so it will work in the same manner. See here, void set pin mode 8 output. This is the loop. Digital write 8, it become high. Delay for 100 millisecond. After that, digital write 80. See, so this is the program. It will work in this way. Did you get me now? See, this is a block programming. Just we set the pin 8. As I told you, we set the pin 8, and this pin 8 we said okay to high. Okay, and wait for 100 millisecond and set the pin to low. Okay, so this is the program, we write it. Okay, this is the programming language, this is the code. Just simply you can design a circuit. Okay, write a program in a block, and just you can use this one and copy the program and run in your IDE, and you can upload in this one, the what we call it, 1 minute. So if you need to download, you can see your program has been downloaded, and this one you can also copy and paste. Okay, so this is a simple simulation and simple program you can see here. So this is very simple program. You can design a circuit, you can do anything with the TinkerCad.